Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on creating a 3D stacked column cylinder chart in Excel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step to create a visually appealing 3D stacked column cylinder chart. Let's get started. Begin by selecting all the data you want to include in your chart. Ensure your data is properly organized with headers. Navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Charts group, click the Column Chart drop-down menu. Select the 3D Stacked Column Chart option. Click on the plus sign next to your chart to open the Chart Elements menu. Deselect all elements to remove them from the chart for a cleaner look. Select the upper part of one of the stacked columns, right-click, and choose Format Data Series. In the right-hand panel, under Fill, select Solid Fill. Use the color picker to choose a white color. Next, click on Series Options and under Column Shape, select Cylinder. Change the gap width to 60% for a more compact appearance. Click on Effects, expand 3D Format, and under the Material drop-down, select Clear under the Translucent category. Select the bottom part of the first cylinder in the chart. In the right-hand panel, under Fill, choose Solid Fill and pick a color of your choice. Repeat this step for the other cylinders, ensuring each has a different color for distinction. Right-click on the chart area and select Format Chart Area. In the right-hand panel, click on Effects and expand 3D Rotation. Set the X rotation to 0 degrees and the Y rotation to 10 degrees for an optimal viewing angle. Click on the chart, go to the Format tab on the ribbon. Under Shape Fill, select No Fill. Under Shape Outline, select No Outline for a clean look. Right-click on the upper part of a cylinder in the chart and choose Add Data Labels. Adjust the color or size of the labels to your preference for better readability. Go to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Drag the text box under all the cylinders and type in your information or description. Once your chart is set up, you can change the data in the table, and the chart will dynamically update to reflect these changes. That's it. You've now created a professional-looking 3D stacked column cylinder chart in Excel. By following these detailed steps, you can present your data in a visually appealing and dynamic format. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.